At the outset, I convey my greetings to all the IDSC officers and their families on the occasion of 66th IDSC Day. As we enter the 67th year of formation of this cadre, I urge upon all the IDSC officers to take ownership at all levels in the organization and have confidence in whatever they do. This will lead to a quantum jump in the professionalism and efficiency of the organization. I take pride in being part of MES, which is the oldest and largest government construction organization in the country. This is being managed by highly professional and competent cadres of technocrats like IDSC. As you are all aware, IDSC forms the backbone of this illustrious organization and they occupy key executive appointments of MES at all levels. IDSC officers are alumnus of various reputed technical institutions of the country. They keep themselves abreast with modern technological developments at par with international standards, as well as the growing need of the challenges faced by defense infrastructure. A number of IDSC officers are also occupying key position in other government departments as well as important PSUs. The contribution of IDSC officers in the overall nation building process cannot be overemphasized. It is in the fitness of things that IDSC Association has decided to organize a national level seminar on a very relevant and contemporary subject of defense infrastructure planning and management. I wish the officers of IDSC cadre as well as the seminar all the very best and the grand success. Happy IDSC Day once again.
IDSC cadre has now emerged as a force to reckon with in respect of defense infrastructure planning, execution and management of various projects related to the defense sector. IDSC is organizing a national level seminar as DIPM 2015 to show their technical superiorness and growth and capabilities generated in them on this forum. Simultaneously, it is coincide with the 66th Raising Day of IDSC, and I wish all of them, fellow IDSC officers, a very good day, good luck, and hope that cadre will win laurels to the organization in the years to come. I wish a successful DIPM 2015.